When you look at the night sky, you see thousands of tiny lights above you. But that glowing band stretching across the sky is something much bigger than stars. It is our home in space, the Milky Way. The Milky Way is a huge spiral galaxy made up of billions of stars, along with planets, gas, and dust. Our own sun is just one of those billions of stars. If you could see it from far away, it would look like a giant spinning disk of light in space. Now here's something most people don't realize. We are not in the center of the galaxy. Our solar system is located in a small arm called the Orion Arm, far away from the bright, crowded center. From our position, we are actually quite far out, in one of the quieter regions of the galaxy. But the center of the Milky Way is completely different. There, stars are packed extremely close together, and gravity is extremely strong. At the very center lies a massive object, the supermassive black hole called Sagittarius A star. It is millions of times more massive than our sun, and it controls the motion of stars around it. The Milky Way itself is massive beyond imagination. It is about 100,000 light years across, meaning light would take 100,000 years to cross it. And even at the speed of light, our solar system takes about 225 million years to orbit the galaxy once. That means, since Earth formed, we have only gone around the galaxy a few times. And yet, the Milky Way is not special in size. It is just one galaxy among billions in the universe. Every point of light in the night sky could be another galaxy like ours. So when you look up at the night sky again, remember this. You are not just standing on Earth, you are living inside a galaxy, moving through space, around a massive cosmic system, and we are still only beginning to understand it. Thanks for watching. Please support by like, share, or subscribe. Let's see in another video.